Court is in session and calls number 330416. Case is titled the State of Texas versus Adrian Brown. Mr. Brown, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Brown?
I'm good.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Brown. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Bruce Smith. Attorney Smith, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Do we have a, did you print out that motion to withdraw? Print out 2 copies. Mr. Brown, I have before me a motion to withdraw that has been filed by your attorney, Mr. Smith. Where's the order? Mr. Brown, have you had an opportunity to read the motion?
I read most of it.
You can take your time and go through it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Brown, you read Mr. Smith's motion?
Yes.
Do you have any objections to Mr. Smith withdrawing as your attorney in this case?
No, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Brown, well, this court is going to grant Mr. Smith's motion to withdraw. Mr. Smith, you're released from representing Mr. Brown in this case.
Thank you.
You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Brown, you still have the option. We can reappoint you another attorney to represent you. Okay? And the attorney, he was just here, the attorney that's going to be appointed to represent you in this case is attorney. Which one? Oh, Attorney Bruce Cobb. Mr. Brown, you're going to stand on the X, the 4X in front of our court coordinator. She's going to give you information on how to contact your new attorney. Once you get that information, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. You're welcome. You're gonna reset it with the felon?
Yes, it's still in the time until 1:30. I'm just gonna give them a thorough standard reset right now.
But yeah, I think we probably want to do him on Fridays.
Don't worry about it, I'm just trying to give you a standard thing reset. And then once you
Yeah.
Mr. Brown, is there another document, 2114?
Okay, the court is in session. You need it?
Can I break real quick? Judge?
Yes.
On Ms. Cunningham on the pretrial docket, we reached out to her trying to get her to Zoom in. She hasn't responded yet. We're going to continue trying to get in touch with her.
Okay,
And if she does log in, I'm going to be in Hardin County this afternoon, but if she does log in, I'll do my best to Zoom in as well.
okay, that's fine.
Clean, fresh, fresh shirt. It's buttoned up too.
Yeah, just make sure you try to get it to make an appearance either way. Other than that, it may end up in a bond forfeiture.
Okay, we're trying to get in touch with her.
All right, that's fine. Mr. Michael Taylor. Court is in session and cause number 330488. Case and style of state of Texas versus Michael Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please raise your right hand. Mr. Taylor, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Okay. Mr. Taylor, you may put your hand down. Mr. Taylor, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Mr. Taylor, do you recognize this document? Mr. Taylor, is this your signature on the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
And are these your initials on the line that's next to the statement that says, I want to apply for a court-appointed attorney? Also, Mr. Taylor, I have before me a document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, Mr. Taylor, There is a signature above a line that is titled defendant signature. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Taylor, before you sign and initial these documents that I've just mentioned to you, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Taylor, I've read your answers or your responses on the affidavit of indigence, and based on your responses, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Giles Cole. Our court coordinator will give you information on how to contact Mr. Cole. Mr. Cole will also be given information on how to contact you. So you can stand on the 4X in front of our court coordinator. She's going to reset your case. Once she resets your case, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. You're welcome.
All right, hey Judge,
Hey, how you doing there, Mr. Burris?